back to my channel Living the Dream with Marikrisenco. Here we are at the moment in the boat. We are going to start our tour to different islands. My husband is actually there. Hello. My son and some of the tourists who's part of the group. Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel Living the Dream with Marikrisenco. Here we are at the skeleton shipwreck. I'm just enjoying the sun here right now while my family is swimming and looking for the shipwreck, and it's amazing. I love it, my god. There's a lot of stones, limestones around. There's some boats on the other side where they're also trying to find where this shipwreck on the bottom. I'm going to swim, of course. Watch a lovely, pristine, clear water, lots of fishes, lots of things to see under the water. It's really good. We have arrived into Smith Beach and we found this monkey over here. This monkey is going to swim with me. I'm a bit scared that it might bite me. You can see the monkey. Can you see the monkey? Hello. It's running towards me. It's running towards me. Oh, and it's experience of a lifetime. It's time to eat from our boat tour, so halfway done. It's really amazing. Our tour guide have made us lovely food here, and there are some friends of ours in there. They're also enjoying taking some photos of the food. Are you hungry, honey?
Very hungry, darling.
So I'm here currently at the Twin Lagoon, trying to swim around the beautiful Coron everywhere. We are trying to swim to the second lagoon. They are crushing with us. Oh my god. This is my husband. He's enjoying the swim.
I'm enjoying it
Here.
all. Having a great time.
Here at the second lagoon. We're gonna go to the first lagoon. It's right behind us. We have to cross the, what do you call it, the stairs?
The stairs, yeah.
So we have to swim hard. Yeah. So we're going to the second lagoon. There's two ways to get there. You either go underneath the little lagoon over there, or otherwise you use the stairs. I'm going underneath the water. Yay, I made it underneath. What about you guys? Are you going underneath? But you have to swim here with a life vest. You're not allowed here to get in the water unless you have a life vest. The noise is the only one we make. Basically, the tourist that comes around here. Otherwise, it's pretty quiet. It's inhabitable because, what can I say? The limestones are very, very sharp. You can't climb in there. You can't build a house or anything in there. It's good that they're preserving this. And I guess they have no choice someday. They can't live on here. Amazing. So we have arrived to Barracuda Lake that is now changed to Luluyan Lake. Would you believe? Apparently it's named by the fish because there's so many barracuda there before, but no more barracuda now. So they changed into Luluyan Lake. So, hi, hello. See, there are my friends from Brazil. Argentina. Oh God, the other one's from Brazil before. Okay, the Argentina. There you are. It's a bit of a climb here to go to Barracuda Lake. Yeah.
Filipino star.
The Filipino star.
Miss Universe 2018.
Joke, joke.
Joke, joke. They are welcoming me. Like I'm getting married. This is our tour guide. Mano, what's your name? Chris. So Chris is our tour guide for today here at Barracuda Beach, which is now changed to Luluyan Beach. So, di ba? Thank you, Manong, for making us safe and guiding us for all our tours. I'm finally so happy. Somebody took a video of me. My God, I've been taking video all the time, and yet I'm not included. Oh, I'm so sad. So she's nice. She's gonna send me one. So
Yeah, sure.
wait.
I will send you the video that recently we made.
That's right. And so yeah, wait for our vlog.